and welcome. It's that time of the week when you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. On our top story, we have Salman Khan, who celebrated his 48th birthday bash recently and made it a star-studded affair. Details in our next story. Salman Khan's birthday bash went on all night long at his Panvel farmhouse, and his friends and family members reached there to wish him. And now we're going to bring you the top 3 highlights from Salman's party.
First highlight, Ellie Avram.
The most important guest on Salman's 48th birthday was none other than Ellie Avram. Well, yes, neither Katrina nor any of his other ex-girlfriends were seen at this party. Ellie and Salman's special friendship has been the talk of the town lately, and at a time like this, we were sure that Ellie would be there for this party, and that's what exactly happened.
Second highlight,
Salman Khan's party and without any hangama? Not possible. Well, if sources are to be believed, Salman's party had some unknown gate crashers who got drunk and also misbehaved with the guests, after which the actor's bodyguard bashed them all and threw them out of the party.
third highlight,
Last but not the least, the third biggest highlight at Salman's party were his guests. Well, considering Salman threw the party at his farmhouse, we didn't expect too many celebrities to be there. But interestingly, the party did turn out to be a huge star-studded bash. Well, so this is how Salman Khan's 48th birthday bash turned out to be a hot and happening one. While that was Salu's bash, on the other hand, B-Town's reigning queen Deepika Padukone too threw a grand party with all the who's who of the industry in attendance. Take a look in our next story. Star-studded bash. B-Town stars shining in black and golden. Deepika's huge bash saw a lot of her B-Town friends dazzling away. Well, we wouldn't be wrong to call it one of the biggest party of B-Town, as here we spotted almost all the who's who of the industry. First, we'd like to begin with the star couples. We spotted Shahrukh Gauri, Amir Kiran, Imran Avantika, Farhan Akhtar, Aduna Akhtar, Lara Datta, Mahesh Bhupati, Arjun Rampal, Meher, Ritesh Janelia and Shilpa Rajkundra. Amongst the actors who made their presence felt at the party were Ranveer Singh, Abhay Deol, Shahid Kapoor, Neel Nitin Mukesh, Sonu Sood and Arjun Kapoor. And some of the actresses we spotted there were Bipasha, Amisha, Alia Bhatt, Amrita Rao and the very beautiful Malaika Arora Khan. While amongst the directors were Karan Johar, Rohit Shetty, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Madhur Bhandarkar, Kabir Khan, Farah Khan. And now we'll show you the 5 biggest highlights of the party. Highlight number 5 was the masti that the Gundays were seen doing. Well, yes, we're talking about Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh, who were seen doing the maximum masti. Take a look.
अच्छा बेटा अच्छा
देखिए हमारे साथ कौन है
कि बाबा के पास टाइम नहीं होता है तो फालतू क्वेश्चंस के साथ इनका
बाबा चलो
कीजिए
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर
गुंडों की तरफ से आप सभी दर्शकों को वेरी वेरी मेरी क्रिसमस
ओह अच्छा
एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर हार्दिक शुभ
and
कामनाएं
happy Valentine's Day also because Gunda is coming when
Feb 14
correct
थैंक यू
sir
Highlight number 4. Highlight number 4 at the party was Amir Khan, and while Amir has always said that he doesn't believe in numbers, the actor himself admitted that he's feeling relaxed after the first day's collections. And that's not all. He even promoted Salman's Jai Ho.
जब हाँ अभी मैं फाइनली रिलैक्स हो गया. जब मुझे पहले दफ़ा नंबर्स फर्स्ट डे के कलेक्शंस आए तो मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहे थे. और एक ही चीज़ बोलना है मुझे, जय हो।
Highlight number 3. The highlight number 3 at the party was Bollywood's Badshah Shah Rukh Khan. SRK, who usually talks to the media, did not interact much this time. Well, was he avoiding something or was he in a hurry to get to the party? Because when we spoke to him, then this is all he said. Highlight number 2. And the second highlight of the party was Ranbir Kapoor, and that too without being present at the party. Well, Ranbir, who was in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani along with Deepika, was expected by one and all. But he did not come because according to sources, Katrina Kaif was not invited for the party. And that's the reason why Ranbir too didn't show up. Highlight number 1. And last but not the least, the biggest highlight of the party was the host Deepika Padukone. Well, that's because of her dress, the party's theme, and at the same time because of this clarification.
मीडिया में ये रिपोर्ट आ रही है कि आपको शुद्धि मिल चुकी है, करीना कपूर जो ओल्ड एक्ट कर रही थी, इसी के अपोजिट।
इसमें कोई no, this is not true. This is not true. I think Karan has also clarified it. So let's not complicate the matter.
So, all in all, the party was a huge hit. And while Deepika's party saw all the B-Town biggies, it also gave tons of gossip to the media and the fans. Next, we have Sanjay Dutt, who was recently granted 30 days parole by the Yerwada jail authorities. The actor gave his clarifications regarding his recent controversies. Details in our next story. Sanjay Dutt has got 30 days parole from Pune Yerwada jail, and the actor is quite upset about all the media reports that have been floating around. Well, they were the same reports which suggested that Sanjay Dutt has been getting special treatment from the Yerwada jail authorities.
एक ही चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक बुक मिलती है जहाँ पे फर्लो और पेरोल के बारे में लिखा गया है, उसके रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस क्या हैं। तो जो भी करने से पहले मैं आप सब प्रेस वालों को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो बुक पढ़ें और फिर उसके बारे में आपको जो भी कहना है आप कहें।
And that's not all. Sanjay Dutt gave all the clarifications stating why the news about him getting special treatment was not true.
It's a book on rules and regulations of payroll and furlough. पहले मैं फर्लो पे आया था, अभी मैं पेरोल पे आया हूँ और रोज़ हर जेलों से लोग फर्लो पे निकलते हैं, पेरोल पे निकलते हैं। तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं कि मेरे पे कोई फेवर किया गया है। देशमुख साहब एक IAS ऑफिसर हैं, बहुत बड़े, एंड ही इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल, इज़ अ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन। उनके पास 300-400 पेरोल एप्लीकेशंस आते हैं और उन्होंने बहुत सोच समझ के ये चीज़ की है और मेरा एप्लीकेशन रिफ़र करने के लिए भी वापस भेजा है और उस रिफ़र करने के बाद पुलिस रिपोर्ट गई है, डॉक्टर का रिपोर्ट गया है और इसी वजह से मैं पेरोल पे हूँ।
At the same time, Sanjay even shared with the media that his wife has been diagnosed with tumor and he is quite troubled because of that.
She has been detected with a tumor of the liver और उसकी जांच की जाएगी। मेरे फैमिली में कैंसर के बहुत 2 किस्से हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, मेरी माँ के साथ, मेरी वाइफ के साथ, ऋचा शर्मा के साथ। और बस मैं यही प्रार्थना करता हूँ, मैं आप सबसे कहता हूँ प्रार्थना करें कि ऐसी कोई बात नहीं हो कि कुछ कैंसर वैंसर डिटेक्ट हो जाए, लेकिन जांच करने के बाद जो भी पता चलेगा, जो मोड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट होगा वो हम लोग करेंगे।
Well, we hope that Sanjay's homecoming will surely give Manita some support. Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but when we come back, Varun Dhawan's exclusive chat on Zoom. Stay tuned.